All right, I'm Paul here at Castle Performance with my father. We are a performance shop in Illinois. We specialize in classic to modern day performance muscle cars. We do anything from engine upgrades, suspension, transmission, EFI kits, fuel system upgrades, you name it, we got it covered. Give us a call today.
Welcome to the 58th Annual O'Reilly Auto Parts World of Wheels presented by South Oak Dodge. I'm Doc Riley, and what a great time it is here in Chicago. We have got the championship finale that the winners have just been released. We have the Legend Cup presented by Clean Tools. That'll be done later on in the weekend. Plus, we just have the regular Summit Racing Equipment Show Car Awards to go through. And here in Chicago, you get cars and trucks and bikes of every type imaginable, and color, and customization. It is one incredible show, so please enjoy this next video.
Hi, my name is Chris, and this is my 67 custom Camaro, known as Nickleback. Car has a custom one-off two-tone paint job, sandstone gold with lava rock on the bottom, and the pinstripe is Harvest Gold, which is one of the interior colors. It has a Gen 2 small block with a modern day supercharger on it, and everything underneath the hood, of course, is nickeled, chromed, and brushed nickel.
How much horsepower?
Makes about 700 horsepower. The wheels on the car are custom 5-piece wheels. The center of the wheels matches all the bolts on the car. I had all the bolts on the car diamond cut, and I matched the center of the wheels to the diamond cut bolts and to the horn button inside the car. Custom two-tone interior with LED lighting throughout, and you can see the horn button, as I was saying.
Right. And I'm going to scoot in there for 1 second.
Car has been fully molded and smooth, belly pan, so that the bottom mechanicals don't hang below the bottom of the car. Custom exhaust system. Engine, all the mechanicals, engine, trans, and rear is two-tone, just like the car with a pinstripe. All the trim on the car has been flush mounted and recessed into the body, and every panel on the car has been touched. Glass has been rounded, hood's been rounded, front and rear trunk's been rounded. The doors have been radius.
Can you speak to that for a moment?
Yep, the sandstone gold has a lot of metallic in it, and the goal there was get a paint that would flop depending on the light.
Right, I see that. Right,
yep.
right.
Has an independent rear suspension in the car.
So look at that. And then how many hours or years?
So it was 6.5-year build, roughly 10,000 hours in build of the car. We debuted the car in Detroit in 2018. It was a grade 8 finalist. And then in 2018 we went to SEMA and we won the Mother Shine Award at SEMA. Cars won some great awards, and we're very honored. Here in Chicago, we're fortunate enough to be among some other great cars to be selected as the Select Six, going for the Legend Cup.
Speak to a moment about other awards that you've received.
We've won best in class at pretty much everywhere we go. Other than that, we actually haven't showed the car that much. We are starting the ISCA circuit. This is our first show for our first point, and we plan to tour the circuit.
Right. And then as we're looking at the wheels that are off and the suspension here, can you speak to that some more?
So it's a independent rear suspension with inboard brakes. We've modified it and moved the strut bars in so that way we can belly pan the car. Everything has been nickel plated or chrome plated to accent it.
And then the exhaust out of the...
Yep, the exhaust is that we raised the floor where the mufflers are underneath the rear seat. Customized the exhaust, brought it out through the belly pan behind the doors. The front and the front grille, everything on the grille, same thing, same plating on it. We did the floating spear with the turn signals to stay true to the original heritage, and the SS is actually a parking light. In the rear of the car, the SS is a third brake light.
Oh, is it really?
Yes.
Really?
So the hood, we actually shortened the front header panel by 2 inches, lengthened the hood by 2 inches, but the center of the hood, the cowl area, we lengthened by 13 inches to accommodate the custom hood vents. Hood, underneath the hood is two-tone with the pinstripe, and then we just accented it with some trim rings.
How did you get into cars from, what was your first inkling and how did you get to this level?
So this was actually my first car that I drove in high school.
Really?
23 years ago.
Really?
Yep. And then 8 years ago, I decided to start the build, along with my dad. And I've just always been a car guy with my dad, so we get to do the hobby together. I'd also like to give thanks to my dad for being a car guy, getting me into cars, and being an instrumental part of this build, and sharing his ideas and his checkbook. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Here at Castle Performance, we have over 30 years experience in these muscle cars. Also, 1,000 product line, anywhere from turbochargers to superchargers, bolt-on wheels, whatever you'd like. I recommend you give Castle Performance a try, where fast cars is our middle name.